In this video, we will explain how to change a heating element on your Winston 8000 series Collectramatic fryer. You will require the following tools to perform this installation. Before beginning the installation, be sure to unplug the fryer from its power source. Start by dropping the front panel. You will need to remove the 4 screws holding the panel in place. We must now remove the black strap holding the insulation in place. Clip the black band and the 2 small wire ties securing the high limit and temperature probe wires. Then remove the insulation strap. Next, begin removing the lock nuts holding the heater wires in place. It is important that the heater wire is not allowed to move while unscrewing the nut. To prevent this, use your offhand to hold the wire while the nut is being unscrewed. Repeat this process for the 3 heater wires on the opposite side of the fryer, then remove both sections of the insulation surrounding the heater terminals. There are 3 separate heating elements inside the fryer: a top, middle, and bottom element. If the middle or bottom element is being changed, you must remove all the heating elements above the heater being replaced. Using a 9/16 ratchet, remove the hex nut securing the heating element to the pot. If the middle or bottom element is being replaced, you will need to remove the hex nuts on all the heating elements above the heater being replaced. Next, gently remove the ferrules on each of the heating wire terminals with a pair of wire cutters. Once the ferrules are removed, move to the inside of the pot. Begin by removing the high limit bracket. If heater protectors are installed in the fryer, they will need to be removed as well. Next, begin the removal of the 3 heater holders. Once the compression nuts have been removed, lightly tap the heater holder with a soft hammer to dislodge the holder from the heating elements. The faulty heating element can now be removed. Begin the installation of the new heating element by threading the heater terminals through the holes in the pot and sliding the element coils into place. Next, reinstall the 3 heater holders. Slide the heater holders in behind the heating elements and angle them so that the heating elements line up with the grooves in the heater holder. Secure the heater holder to the frame with the 2 lock nuts and place the heating element coils inside the grooves of the heater holder. You will want to make sure the heater holder is lying as flat as possible against the side of the fryer's pot before fully locking it down. Once the heater holders are in place, reattach the high limit bracket. Begin the installation of this bracket by threading the temperature bulb through the small window in the mounting bracket. Next, attach the front and rear portions of the mounting bracket with the mounting screw. It may be necessary to hold the rear portion of the bracket in place while tightening. Next, insert the new ferrules onto the heating element. These ferrules will ensure a tight seal so that no oil leaks from the inside of the pot. Replace and tighten the heating element hex nuts with a 9/16 ratchet. Once the hex nuts are secure, insert the two small sections of insulation and install the new insulation straps. We can now reattach our heater wires. First, place the washer on each heating element terminal, then connect the heater wires. Looking left to right, no two heater wires of the same color should be connected to the same heating element. Once the heater wires are in the correct order, completely secure the compression nuts to the element coils by using a 3/8 nut driver. It is very important to hold the threaded portion of the element in place and to not over-tighten the compression nut so that the tip is not broken off while the nut is secured. Finally, reinstall the front panel.